Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. I made a new one because I cut my hair and also I just changed it up a little bit. So carry on watching to know how I did this to my hair. I look like trash right now. Also, my flashlight is flashing, and if you notice that, sorry, I can't do anything about it. Yeah, like just now. For my hair, I'm like, it looks like this, and it has hair gel in it, a lot of hair gel. It looks disgusting. Ew. And I have a bit of dandruff and a bit of build up from my hair gel as well. So my hair looks like utter trash, and this is what it looks like at the end of the week all the time. So to sort my hair out, because it looks like trash right now, I'm gonna be washing my hair with this. It is wait, let me focus it. It is Palmer's coconut oil conditioning shampoo. You can get this from Superdrug. Then I'm also going to use their conditioner for my hair. I've been using this for like around a year, I think. Yeah, a year. So yeah, when I finish washing my hair, I'm going to come back and show you what I do after. So I just wash my hair. I have conditioner in my hair. I don't wash out the conditioner, I leave it in. And when I was in the shower, I brushed out my hair. I'm gonna spray my hair with water so that my hair is more soaked. I like my hair being really, really wet when I put in the products for my hair. And now I'm going to take my Denman brush and brush my hair back. So my hair looks like this. Usually I would add this. It's a mask, a hair mask by She Moisture. It is called Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. But the thing is, you have to leave this in for an hour, and right now it's kind of late, so I don't have time to be doing this. So first I use Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream after washing my hair. So I'm going to take like this much and distribute it in my hair. And now that I've put in leave-in conditioner, I'm going to take this. This is Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This is like their best product. And I'm going to put this all over my hair. So now I'm going to take this comb. It's just a normal thin comb. And I'm going to part my hair. I have a natural parting anyway, but I just wanted the line to be perfect. I'm going to brush my hair down. So here is where I'm gonna start to make my curls better than they are normally. So when I brush my hair down like this, my hair ends up being a bit flat. So I take like the top and brush this, then it will like curl. And I'm gonna do that like for all of the top. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but this makes my curls look way better. And sometimes I like get someone to twist it like this. So this side looks flat, this side looks a bit better. I don't know. It looks really nice when you dry your hair after doing this. So I'm just gonna do this for the whole side of here. And now I'm gonna toss my head upside down and crunch my hair. This gives my hair even more volume. I diffuse my hair with the Babyliss Speed Pro 2100, and yeah. It comes with a diffuser attachment, so I just click this in, like so. I'm just going to turn it on, and my technique is to grab a side of my hair and then keep it like this for like 30 seconds or 20, I don't know, and then leave it like that, but not to move the diffuser too much because that will make my hair really frizzy. So I'm going to turn it on. So now I'm going to turn my head upside down. This will give me way more volume, and I'm going to diffuse my hair upside down. So my hair isn't completely dry and it's starting to get frizzy. So when it starts to get frizzy, I take some of this. This is Cantu Define and Shine Custard. It looks like, oh shit. It looks like this. It's really liquidy. It's like syrup. You only need a little bit for your whole head. You only need like this much. And rub it through your hands. It's really nice and smooth. Before I put in the Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna diffuse my hair until it's fully dry, or like 99% dry. And for the top coat, I'm gonna get my Eco Styler gel. They changed the lid and it's so much nicer. It's like this, and gonna take some, like this much, and this will just make my hair really shiny. Yeah. But don't put too much, because then your hair will end up being, what's the words, crunchy. But right now my hair is soft and my curls are really nice.
You're listening to Redneck.